Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will understand how we can apply multiple joins. Okay, so basically, this is more or less same as like the single join. It's just that the for someone who has not applied, this could be a good test. I mean, this is generally asked in the interviews questions as well. So I mean, I will highly recommend you to watch this video till the end. Now let's begin. So basically, if you will see, we have four tables that we want to combine, and we want to create a master data. So just let me quickly walk you through all the tables. So the input tables, firstly is the customer, which has details related to customer. Then there is order two, which is having details related to orders, more on the customer and the order, and the product, it has details related to products. And then there is order details, which is also giving us the quantity and the product that has been bought. Okay, now we want to bring all these. So basically what we want is, so for your reference, what I have done is I have highlighted the key that will be used to join both the tables in the same color. So suppose the customer ID has been highlighted in the same color. If you see this has been highlighted in the same color, and this is I mean, the order ID which has been highlighted in the same. Okay, so basically what I will do for your reference, because all the data is present here, I will write the SQL query here itself, and then we'll just copy and paste the data into the SQL server, and then we will try to run it there and see if it is giving us the correct output. Okay. So firstly, what we will write is select, because we want to show some column. So generally here we write the name of the column that we want to fetch. But for now, I will not write this. I will firstly walk you through the join, and then we can write the column name here. So firstly, I will write select. Then I will say table number one, which is the customers. I have written this. Now I'm giving it an alias of C. Then I will apply a inner join. Here I've used inner join. You can write anything. I mean, basis on the use case. For my use case, the inner join is more relevant. So I have written that. So this can be only be combined with the orders to table. So I will write that, and I will give it a alias of O. And then I will write the joining condition, which is on. And then I will write I want to combine both the data by the customer ID. So I will write that. Now I will write O dot customer ID, because it is the same column coming from the both the tables. Now the join one is complete. Now we want to apply the again, and we want to combine this table. Okay. For this, I mean, the simply we can just write the query here. So basically how it is referring is, it is referring this as a table. Now we want to apply a inner join. So this is how it will be done. Now I will write inner join, and then I will combine detail order details for, and I will give it a alias of OD. Then I will write a joining condition. I want to use here order ID. So I will say OD dot order ID, and then I will say O dot order ID. Okay. Then I will write again inner join, because I want to combine the final table, that is the product three. So I will say inner join, and I will write product three, and then the joining condition, that is, I have not given it any alias. Let me give it P. Then the joining condition, let me write here the joining condition, that is P dot. We want to combine both of them using product ID is equal to again the product ID from order details table. So OD dot product ID. So if you see, I mean, our query is ready. Firstly, what we have done is we have selected the first table, and then we have applied inner join with the orders to table. Okay, basis on the customer ID column. And then we have again applied the inner join, and combine the order details table and give it a layers of OD. And then we have written the joining condition, that is we want to combine it by orders ID column. Okay. Then again we have applied inner join with the product ID, sorry, products table. Here the name of the table should be products. Okay. Now we have used this, and then we will write the joining condition, that is the P dot product ID is equal to P. Now we will write the name of the column that we want to fetch. So we will firstly fetch the customer name, as you will see in the output that is there. The order ID would be fetched from order number 2. So O dot order ID. Now I am from the third table. So basically product name is coming from the product table. So I will say product. Then I will say name. Then there is a quantity which is coming from OD table. So I will say quantity. Then I will write the final table, that is the final field, which is price, which is coming from the product table. So I will say here product. Oh, sorry, this would be price. Now our code is ready. We will just copy and paste this in the SQL Server and see if it is running correctly. So this is the table. This is the server. I will just select this and run this. So if you see, it is giving us the correct output. So that's all guys in this video. In case you like this video, please hit the like button and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.